Belajar bahasa Inggris itu bukan sekedar menghafal kata pendek, tapi belajar bagaimana mengubah kata-kata sederhana menjadi kalimat yang bisa digunakan sehari-hari. Ayo kita mulai. Dia berpikir. She thinks. She thinks. She thinks. Dia berjalan. He walks. He walks. He walks. Mereka duduk. They sit. They sit. They sit. Dia membaca. She reads. She reads. She reads. Dia minum. He drinks. He drinks. He drinks. Mereka menunggu. They wait. They wait. They wait. Dia membuka. She opens. She opens. She opens. Dia menutup. He closes. He closes. He closes. Mereka berdiri. They stand. They stand. They stand. Dia melihat. She looks. She looks. She looks. Dia mengecek. He checks. He checks. He checks. Mereka berbicara. They talk. They talk. They talk. Dia mendengarkan. She listens. She listens. She listens. Dia menulis. He writes. He writes. He writes. Mereka makan. They eat. They eat. They eat. Dia pergi. She goes. She goes. She goes. Dia tinggal. He stays. He stays. He stays. Mereka menonton. They watch. They watch. They watch. Dia duduk. She sits. She sits. She sits. Dia berdiri. He stands. He stands. He stands. Mereka berjalan. They walk. They walk. They walk. Dia menjawab. She answers. She answers. She answers. Dia membaca. He reads. He reads. He reads. Mereka menunggu. They wait. They wait. They wait. Dia tersenyum. She smiles. She smiles. She smiles. Dia mendengarkan. He listens. He listens. He listens. Mereka membaca. They read. They read. They read. Dia menyalakan. She turns on. She turns on. She turns on. Dia mematikan. He turns off. He turns off. He turns off. Mereka duduk. They sit. They sit. They sit. Dia memasak. She cooks. She cooks. She cooks. Dia mencuci. He washes. He washes. He washes.
Mereka membersihkan.
They clean. They clean. They clean.
Dia mengecek.
She checks. She checks. She checks.
Dia membuka.
He opens. He opens. He opens.
Mereka makan.
They eat. They eat. They eat.
Dia menuang.
She pours. She pours. She pours.
Dia melihat.
He looks. He looks. He looks.
Mereka berdiri.
They stand. They stand. They stand.
Lanjutkan latihan berikutnya di deskripsi atau playlist.